Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Whirlpool Cabrio washer error codes in 2026. So whenever you are facing any kind of errors in your system, before assuming any serious hardware failure, the very first thing that you need to do is to simply press the pause/cancel once or twice. Afterwards, you just have to unplug the washer and wait for about 5 minutes. This particular step is going to clear the temporary electronic or the sensor faults. Afterwards, you just have to do nothing but to just restart the machine and check if the error code disappears. If normal operation returns, it means that the issue was likely a temporary control board glitch. Now, different Whirlpool Cabrio codes point to different systems. For example, if you are having a F21 error, it is relating to long drain problem. If there is an error of F7E1, it means that the basket speed sensor or the motor issue is there. If you have found F0E7 error, it means that the laundry detected during clean cycle. The LD or LDL errors reflects drainage or lid lock issues. So understanding the code is going to help you narrow down the repair faster. So you need to always match your exact code to the affected system. Now, many Cabrio errors are caused by physical wear or blockages. So whenever you are facing any kind of errors, you just have to simply check for drain hose or pump filters, or sometimes you need to check drive belt, the lid lock and shift actuator. The blocked drainage or worn drive components are among the most common causes. So fixing these parts often resolves major code quickly. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.